Bingo Cache can use more battery while you're actively playing because games keep the screen, graphics, network connection, and device processor working, but unusually fast battery loss is something you can troubleshoot. By the end, you'll know which iPhone and Android settings to check, how to identify whether Bingo Cache is actually responsible, and which changes can reduce unnecessary battery use. Start by checking Bingo Cache's battery usage instead of guessing that the app is the cause. On iPhone, open Settings, Battery, and look at the app activity listed for Bingo Cache. On Android, open Settings, Battery, Usage, and find Bingo Cache in the app list. If Bingo Cache is using a large share of your recent battery while you haven't been actively playing, check whether it is running in the background. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Bingo Cache, Battery, and review the available background battery settings. If your phone provides an option to restrict background activity, use it if you don't need Bingo Cache running when you're not playing. On iPhone, check General App Background App Refresh on. You can disable background app refresh for Bingo Cache if you don't need it updating while you're away from the app. Next, check your screen brightness. Gaming keeps the display active, and high brightness can increase battery consumption. Lower the brightness to a comfortable level while playing Bingo Cache. Your network connection also matters. A weak cellular or Wi-Fi connection can make the phone work harder to maintain communication with the app. If you're playing on mobile data and the signal is weak, switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection and compare the battery behavior. Heat is another warning sign. If the phone becomes unusually hot while Bingo Cache is running, stop playing temporarily and let the device cool down. Avoid placing the phone under a pillow, blanket, or other material that blocks ventilation. Also check whether Bingo Cache or your phone has a pending software update. Open the App Store or Google Play and update Bingo Cache if an update is available. On your phone, install any available system update through the device's software update settings. Don't immediately uninstall Bingo Cache to fix battery drain. First check the battery usage screen and identify whether Bingo Cache is actually consuming an unusual amount of power. If the battery drain continues after reducing brightness, improving your connection, limiting background activity, and updating the app, record the battery usage information and contact Bingo Cache support. Give support your device model, operating system version, Bingo Cache version, and the battery usage information showing the problem. So the practical fix is to verify Bingo Cache's battery usage, limit unnecessary background activity, lower screen brightness, use a stable connection, prevent overheating, and keep both the app and operating system updated. Your next step is Win Settings, Battery, and check how much battery Bingo Cache is actually using. If this fixed your Bingo Cache battery drain problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.